great being invited here today to Waunfawr School to see the mini police talking to the Minister Alun Davies. The scheme has proven very influential, very community focused.
We started the mini police by doing an application form and 2 police interviewed us. We've been helping the nursery with the Harvest Festival. We're going to take part in a choir and we've been meeting new people like Alun Davies.
It's helped my confidence and it's helped me learn new skills of not to be shy and help each other.
It's fantastic to have the opportunity to talk to children who are part of the Heddlu Bach, keeping in touch with the local police force, understanding what the police do to keep us all safe, and then them as a school coming together to work in the community. Heddlu Bach is doing a fantastic job here in Cross Keys, and I'm convinced they can do a great job in communities across Gwent and across Wales.
I liked visitors today because it was really fun and I liked asking questions about them.
The children clearly show that they are thoroughly enjoying the programme. They are learning lots from the police family as well as community projects with partner agencies. They're developing fantastic skills through intergenerational projects with Friend and Me, which is fantastic. It's all about taking the children out to the community and bringing the community back into schools.
I wanted to get involved with the mini police because I've always wanted to be a policewoman and I think it's really cool.
The best part of being in the mini police is because we can always help people.